Hello, this is Carrie Eddy, and I'm doing this video for a class Intro to Engineering at DACC. Now, we had to make a flowchart describing how to mow a yard. So the first thing I did was find my beginning spot and find my ending spot. And that is get lawnmower and put lawnmower up. Those are in circles. And then I had to find my steps. I wrote all this down on our sheet that we had to fill out prior to doing the flow chart or after we did the flow chart, but it helped us set it up. So my very first action is fill the lawnmower with gas, and then you start the lawnmower and you mow the lawn. And then I went to a question: is the lawnmower dirty? If yes, pull out the hose and wash it. If no, put up the lawnmower. So after you wash it, you put up the lawnmower. So that's how I made my flow chart. Now, other people in the class may have done it differently. That's how I did mine. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.